What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to remove the green screen from a video in CapCut PC. So the first thing that we have to do is to have a video in which we have a green screen like this one. I got this one from Pexel. Then what we need to do is to bring our video to our timeline like so. And to remove the green screen, all we have to do is to go to video, then we're going to go to remove background, and we're gonna apply a chroma key. And we're gonna select the green. Now, as you can see, there is still a little bit of green in our video. To remove this green, all we need to do is to increase the intensity to like about 40, and we're gonna clean up edge, and we're gonna put this clean up edge like here. And now, as you can see, all the green is removed. So what we can do now, we can put a background video under it, and our video will look like this. This was the tutorial guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.